The Midnight Miracle. 4 foods that rebuild your muscles. While you sleep, do you remember when getting out of bed felt effortless? When your body just moved, without hesitation, without stiffness? If these days you find yourself sitting on the edge of your bed, mentally bracing before that first step, you're not alone. That quiet weakness sneaking into your limbs isn't your imagination. After 60, our bodies begin a slow retreat, losing muscle mass day by day, even if we don't notice it at first. But here's the part your doctor might never mention. This loss isn't permanent. While you sleep tonight, your body has the potential to rebuild strength, if you give it the right tools. In fact, some of the most powerful muscle restoration happens not at the gym, but in the quiet of the night, when your conscious mind shuts down and your repair systems go to work. The secret? Feeding your body the exact building blocks it craves before sleep. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 4 powerful foods, simple, natural, and surprisingly effective, that work like silent night shift workers, repairing and rebuilding your muscles while you rest. And the final food? Just a spoonful before bed, yet it could completely change how strong and steady you feel tomorrow morning. So stay with me until the end. Your future strength may depend on it. If you're interested in restoring your body's natural strength while you sleep, give this video a like and subscribe to Health and Lifestyle. And tell me in the comments, is there a food you've noticed makes you feel stronger the next day? I'd love to hear your story. Let's begin. 1. The sleep fruit, kiwi's nighttime power. Imagine this, a small fuzzy fruit with a vibrant green heart, humble, unassuming, yet hiding extraordinary power. The kiwi might not scream muscle recovery, but it's one of nature's most underrated healers. Take George, a 74-year-old retired teacher. He came to me struggling with broken sleep and aching stiff legs in the morning. He said it felt like his body had been locked in place overnight. "I wake up feeling older than I am," he told me. I gave him just one change: eat 2 ripe kiwis 1 hour before bed. 2 weeks later, George returned with a grin. "I don't creak like an old chair anymore," he said. "My legs finally feel like they belong to me again." So what makes kiwi such a nighttime miracle? First, it's one of the few fruits that naturally contains melatonin, the very hormone your brain uses to initiate deep, restorative sleep. Unlike synthetic supplements, kiwi delivers melatonin in a form your body naturally recognizes and absorbs. But it doesn't stop there. Kiwi is loaded with antioxidants, especially vitamins C and E, which help fight off the silent enemies of aging muscles, inflammation and oxidative stress. These antioxidants protect your muscle fibers so your body can rebuild instead of just defend. It also delivers a solid dose of potassium, crucial for smooth muscle contractions and preventing those sudden painful leg cramps that jolt you awake. And unlike many sweet fruits, kiwi is low on the glycemic index, meaning no late-night blood sugar spikes to disturb your hormonal sleep cycle. The ritual is simple. Peel 2 kiwis about an hour before bed. Eat them slowly, mindfully, maybe while you play soft music or dim the lights. This tiny act signals to your body, healing time begins now. 2. Protein. While you sleep, the power of eggs after dark. We're used to thinking of eggs as breakfast food. But what if I told you they might be even more powerful at night? As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to rebuild muscle. We need more of a very specific amino acid, leucine, to trigger muscle synthesis. And eggs? They're packed with it. A single egg gives you all 9 essential amino acids and a strong dose of leucine, about 550 milligrams. That's enough to spark overnight muscle repair, especially if your dinner was light on protein. But that's not all. Eggs also provide vitamin D, vital for older adults and crucial for maintaining muscle coordination and strength. And choline, which supports nerve signaling, helps restore the mind-muscle connection that keeps your movements sharp and fluid. Worried about cholesterol? Don't be. Modern research shows that moderate egg intake, 1 a day for most people, can actually improve your heart health by boosting your good HDL cholesterol. The key is preparation. Soft boil, poach, or lightly scramble your egg in a bit of olive oil. These gentle methods preserve the egg's full nutritional value while being easy on digestion. Think of it not as a midnight snack, but as strategic nourishment, a quiet ally working through the night while you sleep. The midnight mineral, pumpkin seeds. Tucked away in countless kitchen cabinets, These tiny green seeds rarely get the credit they deserve, but pumpkin seeds, simple, overlooked, humble, hold one of the most powerful keys to overnight muscle recovery: magnesium. Let me tell you about Harold, a 72-year-old former gardener. Despite getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, he woke up every morning with muscles that felt locked and tight. His rest never felt restorative. The missing link? A quiet but critical magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is nature's muscle relaxant. Without enough of it, muscles can't fully release. They remain partially contracted, even in sleep. And when muscles don't relax, neither does your body. That's why so many people wake up feeling like they never really rested. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds delivers a whopping 37% of your daily magnesium needs, enough to significantly ease overnight tension and promote deeper, uninterrupted rest. This is especially crucial because it's during deep sleep that your body releases growth hormone and carries out the majority of tissue repair. But there's more. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that converts into serotonin and then into melatonin, the exact sleep hormone your brain needs to enter its most restorative cycles. This creates a powerful 1-2 punch. Magnesium relaxes your body, and tryptophan prepares your brain for deep sleep. Add in 7 grams of plant-based protein per ounce and healthy fats that slow digestion, and you've got a steady stream of amino acids nourishing your muscles all night long. The ritual is simple. About an hour before bed, enjoy a tablespoon of unsalted pumpkin seeds. Eat them alone, or stir them into a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt for added protein. Think of it not as a snack, but as a natural muscle medicine, quietly working while you sleep. The overnight champion, cottage cheese. Now we've come to the final food in our nighttime lineup, and perhaps the most powerful of them all: cottage cheese. Behind its simple, no-frills appearance, cottage cheese hides a slow-digesting protein called casein. While most proteins break down quickly, casein works over time, releasing amino acids gradually over 6 to 7 hours. That means your muscles receive a constant stream of nourishment that mirrors the entire length of your sleep. This is critical because without this steady supply, your body might actually break down existing muscle tissue overnight just to fuel its basic repair processes. That's exactly what we want to avoid. Just a few spoonfuls of cottage cheese create a protective amino acid environment that not only preserves but actively rebuilds your muscle tissue while you sleep. Take Martha, 76, who came to me after struggling with leg weakness that made stairs a daily battle. We added a small serving of cottage cheese, just half a cup, 30 minutes before bed. 3 weeks later, she said something that stopped me. "It's like my body finally got the memo. I wake up feeling solid again." What makes cottage cheese especially effective? It's rich in leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. But unlike the fast-acting leucine in eggs, this version works gradually, giving your body hours of consistent rebuilding. It also helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, which is vital for anyone managing diabetes or metabolic issues. Choose low-sodium varieties if you're watching your blood pressure, and low-fat if heart health is a concern. Try it plain, or with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a few slices of kiwi for a double hit of muscle recovery and sleep support. The Nighttime Strength Revolution. We've walked through 4 simple, powerful foods, each working in harmony with your body's natural systems while you sleep. The kiwi, rich in melatonin and antioxidants. The egg, packed with muscle-repairing leucine and essential vitamins. The pumpkin seeds, bursting with magnesium and plant-based protein. And finally, the cottage cheese, delivering slow, steady nourishment all night long. Rebuilding strength after 60 isn't about pushing harder or doing more. It's about getting smarter with your choices. Tonight, as you prepare for bed, consider adding just one of these to your evening ritual. It may be the beginning of waking up stronger, steadier, and more in control of your body. Share in the comments. Which of these are you most excited to try tonight? You might just inspire someone else in our Health 365 community who's silently struggling too. Like this video, hit subscribe, and remember, your body is still listening. Rest well, nourish wisely, and reclaim the strength that's rightfully yours. Until next time.